today it is about all things pink, all things girly, all things flowers and hearts. I love to decorate for every holiday, and Valentine's Day is no exception. Any excuse to decorate with all pink and girly things is fine by me. So today we are putting together an early spring doorscape, and we are decorating for Valentine's Day. The eucalyptus garland is the base of this doorscape, and then we're going to add a lot of layers here with flowers and hearts.
You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall.
There's a nail hole right here on the frame of my door, and this is just helping to hold the garland in place. I have a nail right here, and that's holding the garland in place. Also have a nail right there. And then we're gonna add another garland here at the bottom in a moment, but we're gonna take this garland and scoot it more that way. And then the other garland we have, we're gonna cut it in half and add on either side.
'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you.
Is it okay that we have an empty spot right here because we can cover it with some of the hearts or the flowers? So we're not gonna worry about that just yet.
Can't you see I want you? I believe 'cause I want you. Here with me, I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love. I look at you, I know it's alright. You read my mind, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need.
Now our garland is longer. The base of our door frame is done, and it's okay that it's not exactly even because we're gonna add flowers and hearts to this, and adding those extra items will help even everything out on the door. So the next thing we're gonna add is the star of this doorscape, which are our DIY conversation hearts. And that is a vlog post coming to you later this week. So stay tuned for that.
Oh, I want you. Can't you see I want you? I believe 'cause I want you. Here with me, I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love. I don't need another love. Yeah. We do this every day. We do this love for life. You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see I want you? I believe 'cause I want you. Here with me, I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love.
I threaded some floral wire through that hole at the top of the heart and took that wire and wrapped it around the greenery garland itself and just tied it really tight to help secure each of the hearts in place.
There's only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be, but they're not gonna see me bleed. 'Cause baby, I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live 'cause some people never learn, but they're not gonna watch me burn. 'Cause baby, I got you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely, but with you here nothing can scare me.
I'm gonna add some flowers just to add a little bit of depth, a little bit of texture, and some added interest to the door. And I'm gonna hang these up the same way. I'm just gonna wrap the stems of the florals with some floral wire, and it's gonna wrap around both the flower and the garland itself to hold it in place.
I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I will tell them what I'm feeling forevermore. I don't care about the feelings, not anymore. So let's show them that love is pure, no matter who it's for.
Alright, so we've got this bare spot filled in, and now we're going to add some more flowers along the edges. So I know that I want to add this really pretty flower right here just to add some movement. It kind of has like a dripping look. And the way that we're going to hang this is the same way that we did the hearts. So I have my floral wire right here. We're just going to cut I placed the stem of the flower into the eucalyptus garland, and then you want to take the floral wire and wrap that around both the stem of the flower and the garland itself, and tie that really, really tight to help secure the flower in place.
It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco light. They can try, but they can never take me down. Cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely, but with you here nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. Not afraid to love you. Not afraid to love you. I'm gonna go where my heart is. From now on, I'm being honest. I'm gonna show that I got this love, 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 love. 'Cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely, but with you here nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. Not afraid to love you. Not afraid to love you.
I've been trying hard to keep my cool, but when you're near, there's nothing that I can do. When you're walking in, I know it's true. It doesn't even matter how hard I try, 'cause when I hear your voice, my walls come down. Boy, you are the only thing I want. There must be a way I can make you see that if we fell in love, we will be.
And here it is, a doorscape that is all things pink, all things girly, all things hearts and flowers, the best way to welcome in Valentine's Day. And these faux florals will also help us transition into decorating for early spring as well. Let me know in the description box below how you decorate for Valentine's Day, or what your colors are that you use to decorate, or drop a heart emoji in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Happy
Nobody can bring us down.